In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk through exactly how to use digital signatures for government or compliance forms. Whether you're filing taxes, signing legal documents, or submitting compliance paperwork, digital signatures are a fast, secure way to get the job done. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you the software we'll be using and how you can get an exclusive free trial to follow along. First, let's talk about why digital signatures are so crucial, especially for government and compliance forms. They're legally binding, secure, and save you a ton of time compared to the traditional pen and paper method. But how do you actually use them? It's easier than you think. To start, you'll need to choose the right software. The software we'll be using today is one of the top choices for digital signatures, trusted by businesses and individuals alike. I'll explain how you can sign documents with just a few clicks. The best part? It's super easy to upload any form, whether it's a PDF or Word document, and apply your digital signature in seconds. Once your document is uploaded, you'll usually see a sign option. Click that, and the software will guide you through the process of creating and applying your digital signature. For some documents, you might need to authenticate your identity using a secure method like an email code or even two-factor authentication. But don't worry, it's a fast process that ensures the security of your signature. Next, if you need to add additional signatories to the document, you can invite them directly through the software. Each person will receive a secure link to sign, and they can sign the document without needing to print anything or even meet in person. This is incredibly helpful for compliance forms, where multiple signatures are often required. Now, once the document is signed, the software will automatically generate a certificate to verify your digital signature. This is especially important for government or compliance forms, where authenticity is key. The certificate serves as proof that the signature was applied legally and that the document hasn't been altered after signing. For submitting these forms, the software usually offers a direct submission feature, allowing you to send the document to the relevant government agency or compliance body right from within the platform. This eliminates the need for printing, mailing, or even scanning documents. In case you're wondering, yes, digital signatures are legally accepted for government forms in most countries, and they meet stringent compliance standards like eSign and eIDAS. That means you can trust that your signed forms will be accepted by the relevant authorities. Before I close, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it's a great way to try out the software for yourself. Key takeaway: digital signatures are the secure, fast, and legally accepted way to sign government and compliance forms. They save you time, ensure security, and eliminate the need for printing. The software we use today makes it simple to upload, sign, and even submit your forms. Remember, check out the exclusive free trial to try this software for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial in the description. See you in the next video.